As it grows, another day, another dollar. All right, guys, so we're here at Walmart right now. We're at Wally World, you see? And we're about to recharge the AC. But mind you, guys, there is a low side and a high side. You do not put it on the high side because that's high pressure. A lot of pressure will come out of there, possibly go blind. And, you know, you will mess up the ozone layers if you let that gases out. So this is the side where you want to put it in. You see that? See the L? Look for the L's on your car. Not the H. That's the high side. This is the side. What you want to do is you want to turn on your vehicle. Make sure you guys got a good connection. Boom, good connection. And now we're gonna squeeze the trigger. Now when you get inside the vehicle, put your AC on high too. Like and subscribe, stay tuned as it grows.